Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your INFINIX Note 60. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using side buttons on the right side right here. So we can press on them, and as you guys can see, it is increasing. So what we want to do is we want to do that while we are on an active call. And then what are we going to do is we can try and go to the phone app and here press the volume up button. So it also boosts up our call volume. Here we have a phone icon. So that means it works just fine. It's not a ringing icon. It's the call volume. So you can change it here. And what are we going to do next is head over to settings, go to Bluetooth, and make sure that we disable the Bluetooth. It is very important because we want to rule out any connected devices. And what are we going to do next is here right up top we have a little bit of a cutout. So this is our earpiece. So if your issue appears to be with an earpiece and not with the speaker itself, then you should go over and simply clean it with a soft brush. You can also use an air compressor, but soft brush does a better job here. So now after you clean the earpiece, if you have a problem with your speakers, you can go over here. Right at the top we have a little bit of the speaker, and of course right at the bottom we got the speaker grills. We want to make sure that they're clean. And now after that, what are we going to do is we're going to make sure that we test another call using let's say if you use the phone app, you can use it again, or we can try another app like WhatsApp, or basically any app that supports the call system. So now what are we going to do is we're going to press the volume button, and it didn't go as planned because we need to press and hold it. So as you guys can see, now we ignore it, we just tap on restart and tap again to restart the phone. It is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, we're simply going to enter the password, and as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the settings, and now in the settings we want to scroll all the way down to system. Here in the system, what we want to do is we want to press on reset phone, and here we want to simply erase all data. So you can try resetting the Wi-Fi settings first because it will reset your Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth. But if that does not work, then I would strongly recommend go and erase all of the data. But first, make sure that you back it all up. So you can back it up to Google Drive for an example. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.